Good afternoon. It is May the 11th, 2017. Time to recap our trading for today and take a look at tomorrow. We'll start with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we had ourselves a pretty good day today. Things worked out pretty much as we envisioned, and we had some great setups in the bond, crude, and gold, and then finally in the E-mini. Took a while on the E-mini though. Our projected support and resistance zones held up pretty well. Our buy ones and twos and sell ones and twos also were in play. Okay, on the E-mini, a retest failure trade right here. Had you short around 23.90. If you took yourself out here, you're out at 84. You got 6 points on that. This S trade right here had you short at 83 1/4, and if you took yourself out right here, you were out on the first one at 2 points. Actually, on this at 79, that was a 6-point trade on a 2-lot. This would have been +8 on a 2-lot. This S, if you took it, was a loser. This buy, positive, buy, positive. So pretty good trading in the E-mini. Didn't get a B or an S up here, but we did have a retest failure trade, which is the trade that we like in the E-mini these days. Looking at the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, we can sell tomorrow. Market's holding in there really, really well though, so I'm still not. Doesn't mean we can't be short, but as long as we stay above 23.75, it's going to be pretty easy for this market to trade higher. Don't know what piece of news is going to take us there. So we have a P put in backwards. That's long liquidation. That's not new selling. We'd have a trend day down if we had long liquidation and new selling. So, where we were this morning, 94.96, sell 1. 99.01, sell 2. On the buy side, 85.87, buy 1. 80.82, buy 2. Okay, the CPI is not a leading indicator. It lags PPI, so CPI is +0.2, which is where we were this morning. Core CPI up 0.2, exactly where we were with PPI this morning. Retail sales +0.6. If that is the case, that's a strong number. X autos +0.5. Business inventories +0.1. No one will pay any attention to that. Consumer sentiment 97.3. Could come in lower than forecast. So the focus is going to be retail sales, X autos, followed by consumer sentiment. And the retail sales number is big enough to break us out. Looking at the 10-year, the note, another poor auction. We have those, and can be next week, next Tuesday, before the dealers get well. They're hedged, they're under no problems whatsoever. And their deal with the Fed is they can't lose money on it. So lower high, lower low on the note. Find a place to sell it. And if you're trading off the auctions, you are looking for a place to sell it. We have a P put in backwards, that's long liquidation, and a strong finish. So 31 to 03, sell 1. 7 to 11, sell 2. On the buy side, 21.25 and 13 to 17, buy 2. Knob spread came in a little bit today. Week 30-year auction. A P. Looking here, and what would screw the most people on treasuries would be to rally it tomorrow. They got the firepower to do it. Where we were this morning, 28 to the buck, number 1. 3 to 7, sell 1. 11 to 15, sell 2. This morning we wanted to buy 9s to 13s. I believe the low was either 7 or 8. Last rotate down on M stopped at 20. L stopped at 16, so 12 to 16, number 1. Buying 5 to 9, buy 1. And 29 to 01 for buy 2. Okay, gold. Well, it's kind of a trading range. As long as we stay below 30, it can sell. Looks like we have an outside day that's trading range. Good day trading gold today by several of the room members that shared their trades with us. Okay, we're kind of where we were yesterday. Now we're going to try 28s to 30. Idea it might trade higher, sell 1. 33, 35, sell 2. On the buy side, 20 to 22. And then 15 to 17, buy 2. And crude oil closed at 80. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it tomorrow. Pretty square distribution right here. So looking for a move out of the 47.95 area, and it's possible it started in K period. So selling 48, 48 and a quarter, sell 1. 50 to 75, sell 2. The OPEC report today was bearish news. Play for stops below 50, 47 and a quarter, 47.50 by 1, 46.75, 47 by 2. And looking at the euro. for our friends across the water. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Okay, so 8.90 to the buck, sell one. I think that's where we were this morning. 9.15, 9.25, sell two. Buy side will play for 108.50 to 60, buy one. Pretty sure that's where, looks like it did this morning to me. Yeah, that's exactly where we were this morning on it. That's it for this May the 11th, 2017. I'll see y'all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.